In front of me is Narzo 50i Prime, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, open your phone dialer, then switch to contacts, and select the one that you would like to add this profile picture to. Click on Edit, and now just tap on camera icon, select Take a Photo or Choose a Photo, then pick the picture that you would like to apply. Now you can smoothly customize it as only you want. You can rotate it, you can zoom it in, out, change the layout, and then tap on Done. Click on Save to apply the changes, and that's it. As you can see, this photo is assigned to Tina, so anytime she will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. So that will be all, this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.